So very curious on your thoughts regarding Buffett beginning to, I actually didn't see this, beginning to deploy capital in Japan equities versus U.S. and its implications, if anything, on Nikkei Japanese equity inflows in the next quarter. I'm fully aware this is more a narrative question than anything quantitative. I guess another way to ask this is, what are your thoughts on the Nikkei? And
well, it's back to bullish trend today, and I got a big position in the yen. I sold some on Friday because it was overbought. But I mean, I think what Buffett's seeing is what I've been seeing the whole time. You know, Buffy and I are buds. You didn't know that? You think that he's friends with that lady on CNBC? No. He's buds with me.
Who, the Nibbler?
I don't know, what's her name? Anyway, doesn't matter. We're buds. Buffy and I are buds. I wrote my senior thesis on Buff. What Buff's probably seen is a little KMT, right? A little KM theory, which is the strong and appreciating currencies of the world get to have a better real economy. Again, Buffy knows this. Buffy explained to people, again, this is the whole point of like why I had this masterful senior thesis. It was awful, actually. The conundrum that he had of the 1970s, I would have loved to see Stephanie Kelton give the 1970s a crack. That's, of course, when the dollar was devalued and cost of living went through the roof. And it crushed, like stagflation crushes things. And Buffett really found that to be a period where he just couldn't figure it out because equity multiples kept compressing, everything he would buy would go down, and then all of a sudden he's like, oh, I'll just buy the whole bloody company. You know, but again, he understands why. 1983 to 1989 Reagan fans, 1993 to 1999 Clinton fans. Republicans and Democrats alike in America have enjoyed the most prosperous for the many periods in economic terms, all right? Broad-based economic success. That's when GDP in both periods was greater than 4% on a real basis. So again, nominally it was a lot higher than that. So when you think, or I shouldn't say a lot higher, it was greater, real GDP was over 4%. The price of oil in both periods, 83 to 89, 93 to 99. Fact check this stuff. Buffy knows it. Buffy Buds knows it. Oil was under 20 bucks a barrel over both periods. People loved this. Right? Dollar was strong in both periods. They loved this. So that's why they love Reagan and that's why they love Clinton, or they kind of do, or they should. You know, these are the periods that show you the efficacy of a strong currency. And maybe that's what Buffett's doing. Maybe he's like, there's a lot of value in Japan and they finally figured it out, or at least the US figured out that they are being more, I don't know, deleterious? Pick a word. Pick a big word that these smart people would consider. Did you call it deleterious? What the, you know, it's yeah. We are being so abusive to our currency that it makes the Japanese look conservative.